Hello, friends! The Cubby Land Adventure friends are exploring other activities in Southern California, and today we're going to the California Science Center. It's one of the largest science centers in the West Coast. And the fantastic thing, it's free admission to the permanent collection. Let's check this out. Hippo was so excited. Oh, when you walk in, you'll see that there's 3 different levels. And when you're walking around, you can see the gigantic planes and jets on the ceiling. And you can see the real artifact from the spaceships, the space shuttle. You can learn so much about air and space in this beautiful, big science center located in Los Angeles, California. Hippo was so excited. Let's check out all these different exhibits here, friends. The special exhibits are in these glass cases to keep them special. And you can see that there's a special exhibit on the spacecrafts. Wow, check this out. And there's also different instruments and different tools to learn about science of sound, the human body, and also all the beautiful nature creatures and animals that you see around you. And outside the California Science Center is this beautiful rose garden. Also free for you to walk through. Isn't that fantastic, friends? And you have some time, there's the Museum of Natural History, which is right next door. That has a small fee, but if you have time, you can also check that out. But here we're going to explore the beautiful rose garden with all these different colors. You see yellow, red, white, pink, all these different roses. So if you have some time visiting California, or if you live in California, check out the California Science Museum and the Rose Garden outside.